Danniella Westbrook, 49, announced she is preparing to undergo major surgery that will help rebuild her face after battling addiction. The EastEnders actress representatives last month revealed she was due to have her final reconstructive surgery in Turkey. They said, Danniella is yet to have her final reconstructive surgery. This will take place in Turkey in the upcoming weeks, they added to the Mirror. Now, Danniella has issued the latest update on the upcoming procedure, which she described as an apology to myself. Taking to Instagram yesterday, Danniella uploaded a picture featuring an inspirational quote in view of her 109,000 followers. The image read, "This comeback is personal, it's an apology to myself." Danniella captioned the photo, "Major surgery in 24 hours, it's all about my time now #Westie." Fans of the Sam Mitchell star rushed to the post's comments section to send her their support. Instagram user Jheaton24 said, "Best wishes with your surgery, Danniella. Sending healing energy and love." Nanny_D_East London_X added, "Good luck Dan, don't rush anything after, remember to take time to heal." Don't miss. Nina Warhurst defended by co-star Naga as appearance repulses troll. Latest, Tom Parker died without a written will, leaving his wife only £70,000, in sight. Piers Morgan admits I was TSE, apologies to Kathy Burke, update, Ma. RK7476 commented, "Good luck Dan, I've never met you but I feel I know you, you always like or reply and not many celebrities do that, are my fave. Good luck, Kim, excited for you 30, sick." It comes after in 2018 Danniella appeared on Good Morning Britain to address her health woes, revealing that her jaw and cheekbone were rotting away and decaying following her battle against substance addiction. The actress took to social media in 2021 to update her fans on her surgery journey after the bone in her jaw began to wear away 5 years ago. "Ready for my minor procedures to start," she captioned one snap, which showed her with her lower face covered in bandages. While another snap read, "Today's the day for the first of my reconstructive surgery, minor procedure first but big changes coming, waited so long for this to start. Sick."
To